Yeah! We're on the newly constructed road in Sibonga. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, boss, my Mustang. Ariel says the road is about an 8 or 9, eh, Ariel?
What?
8 or 9?
8 or 9.
It's gonna be a little difficult travel.
You don't have to worry, Joe. We've been to a 9.
I know. Papaya Highway. Eyes on the road. Holy moly. This is like a...
So this will be a good content for like people living here.
Yeah?
They love to check this road. For sure.
Newly constructed road here. Carved into the hills of Sibonga, Cebu. Oh, wow. Holy moly. I wonder if we're going to come across some big excavators too. I imagine it was a smaller road before, like a trail probably. Because there's houses, it seems like there's houses down here. We got the Department of Public Works over here. Oh boy, we got a stream to cross. Isn't that fun?
That's actually a river.
It's a river. Yeah, we see the walking bridge above. Trucks just waiting for the other truck to go ahead. See if I can get a better angle. I'll have Ariel go first. Nothing like crossing a river in the morning. Whoa, my feet got wet. Ariel's feet got wet too. This guy parked his bike right in the middle of our path here. Hey, my Buntang! Got somebody's house. Old house. I can honestly say I did not expect to be on this type of road today. Over by the Tomato Highway. Wow, look at that. Tomato Highway, the road was pretty bad. This, holy golly moly. Hey! It's steep, I tell you that. Huh.
Okay?
Yeah, slow and steady. I'm just checking the camera, Ariel. People are probably happy a newer road is being built here. What?
Friend's house. You know, right after the typhoon, we went here and we just walked down across 2 rivers.
Really? My Bootang. It's kind of difficult to stop on the steep part of this hill. Road. Wow. Ah, yeah. The thoughts of like no way out come to my mind. Hopefully this is the road that leads to our friend Ricky's farm. But we can always go back. Wow, there's even another road that goes down there. It's a pretty good steep incline coming up here. He would say it's a very good. I think we need a new rear tire on this bike here. Yeah, we need a new rear tire. I'm losing traction. Whoa! Yeah. I'm not so familiar with road bikes, but it's not, I'm slipping on that rear tire. I'm just gonna take a nice view right here. Wow, that's pretty. There's, woo! No, go up! Go up! I don't want to go back. No, let's keep on going. Oh my goodness. I think we're gonna have to go back, Ariel. There's no way we can. Ariel, this bike, like my rear tire is slipping a lot, you know?
Yeah, that bike.
Because I think it needs a new tire on the back. The traction is just like really bad.
I see, yeah.
You know, you weren't slipping on the way up.
Are you using first gear?
First gear, back, rear brake, and I was slipping too much. No way. That hill's too big.
Yeah, you're still not.
I think we should have gone left.
Another road?
You know that when we ended up going right on this road, maybe we should have went the left road.
Another road, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna take it slow and steady down this hill. You okay, Ariel? You need help?
Yeah, all good, John.
All good. Well, it's a nice view up here. Oh, but I don't think we can make it up there. See, the problem here, I'm gonna have problems with the rear tire. Gotta find a good traction here. Slow and steady. Yeah, that other hill is too steep. We'll maybe have to come back here next year because that other hill is way too steep. Just like right now, we're on the steepest part of this hill. Back tire holding out okay. I got my foot right heavily on the brake here. Keep my feet on this thing here. It's exhilarating. It's hard work. Alrighty, just had to do a battery change here. Somebody's house is over here. But that was just a crazy road. Maybe we'll try it again in a month or so. I'd like to maybe get a new back tire put on this car, on this bike. What about this road, Ariel? Ariel, you know, we'll have to come back here another time and everything. Maybe get a new tire put on the back tire here. The new road of Sibonga. You could say it got the better of us today. Nice grass here. Yeah, see, my back tire is even slipping. Hey, boss.
Is this good?
Wow, they got nice grass.
salamat. Banga ka. Lubong ligid.
Does he say that there's
Mana si Brock guys, sila Brock. Ase,
is there an exit on that road up there?
nani dire kining dire pikas. Wala, there's no Joe. It's for a way for a house, Joe.
Oh, really? Wow.
Salamat.
Salamat. So, new road, no way out. We still have some action, downhill action to go. My back tire slipping left to right, right to left. Just sliding down this hill now. Feel like we got the grader coming up here. Make sure you don't slide into this grader. Using my left foot just to slide down, right foot firmly on the brake. Nothing like passing a grader on a hill. I'll just give this guy a moment here. Look at that big mountain right ahead of us. Pretty cool. Building the new roads in Sibonga.
Gonna go back to the highway zone, going up.
He's letting us pass, so we got to get going here. Thanks, boss! My horn is like no power in the horn. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I forgot about the river. I can wash the dust off my feet. Look at this, crossing the river. Wow, that was fun. Yeah, I give this road a 10 out of 10 for difficult. The most difficult road we've been on so far. And it's a wide one. I mean, the Papaya Highway was difficult, and that was just like a trail at one point. Tomato Highway the other day, going down was difficult. Hey! But this road right here, holy moly! Hey, Ariel. Well, what I was thinking, Ariel, because like, what a rear tire on this thing, because like, would a newer one be better?
Actually, those tires are not for like rough roads. Though these tires are new, but it's for like flat roads.
Oh, so that's no need to change them then.
No need to change them.
Okay, so just have to.
Just that the kind of tire is for flat.
Alrighty. Where